Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and in this video we're going to make a delicious Italian pasta salad with a homemade Italian vinaigrette that I'm sure you're going to love. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the description of the video, but you can also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. The first step is to cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package. Then we're going to drain it and rinse it with cold water and set it aside. And the reason we're using short pasta is because it's easier to eat and it holds the dressing better. To make the homemade Italian dressing, we're going to mix olive oil with red wine vinegar. We're going to add fresh chopped garlic. And of course, we're going to be adding Italian seasonings like oregano, basil, and some dried parsley. We're also going to be adding white sugar and salt and pepper to taste. Give this a very good whisk and then we're just going to set it aside. Now this is a fantastic recipe for homemade Italian dressing, but feel free to use your favorite Italian dressing for this recipe. To assemble the salad, we're going to place the cooked pasta in a big bowl and we're going to mix it with cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes cut in half. We're also going to be adding fresh mozzarella. I'm using mozzarella balls that are cut in half. Then we're going to be adding chopped dry salami or pepperoni. Use your favorite. For a pop of color and flavor, we're going to be adding red onion. I like to slice mine into thick slices. A small amount of sliced black olives. Sliced pepperoncinis or banana peppers, these are some of my favorites. Fresh parsley, again for color and flavor. And then lots of Parmesan cheese. And what I like to do is just give it a quick toss to make sure all the ingredients are well mixed. And then slowly we're going to add the Italian dressing, and what I'd like to do is leave some for later or for any leftovers that we may have. Then we're going to give it one final toss, cover it and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight so that the pasta has a chance to absorb all of those beautiful and delicious Italian flavors. And then right before serving, I like to add a little bit of fresh basil. This is completely optional, but it gives the pasta so much flavor. And I just stir it up and add it to the pasta salad. And then after that, all we have to do is serve it. And that's how you make a delicious Italian pasta salad.